In this video I'm going to show you how to upload a course to Thinkific. First, go inside your Thinkific account, click on Manage Learning Content, then Courses, and select the course you want to upload your materials to. Let's say that I'm an expert in meditation, and I want to upload a lead generator course on meditation. Select the first section, which usually is the introduction to the course. One way of uploading the content is by selecting the file directly. Don't look at the title of the video file I'm using. The meditation course is only a fictional scenario. Here I'm using some lessons from one of my music production courses to show you how to upload your content. Okay, you can see the video is uploading and we have the confirmation. Save the changes we just made and let's see if we can preview it. Not yet, as the video is still processing. Right here you can add a text that could go with the video, then save again. Now let's try another way of uploading content to your online courses on Thinkific. This can be done with the bulk importer feature. You can use this feature if you want to upload an entire chapter or section at a time. Again, you can select the files you want to upload or just drag and drop them to the section. And there you have it. There are 4 files that are uploading in the same time. And for the conclusions section, I'm going to drag and drop the necessary video lesson. Now here you can see why it is absolutely essential to number your lessons, in whatever format they are, video, audio, PDFs, and so on. Numbering your lessons will help you in arranging them correctly and quickly inside your online course platform. While I have the correct order on my computer, they upload it randomly here. So I can drag them and arrange them as I initially wanted to and in the correct logic order. So let's do this. Now I will rename the lesson correctly and delete the other ones which are empty with no content. If I would not have used the bulk importer, I would keep this tip number 1, 2, 3 lessons. But now I have my lessons uploaded, which also created the lessons. So in this case I don't need them anymore and I'll just delete them. I could also choose to leave them in my curriculum after I uploaded the necessary content. Then I can go inside each lesson and find the necessary video for the lesson. So for the tip number 1, I know I need the file number 2. Let's search for it here. There you go. Let's save this. Then I'll move to the next lesson and do the same thing, choosing the right video lesson. Save again and repeat the process for tip number 3. Now in the tip number 3, I want to add a downloadable PDF. I'll upload it in the Add Download section like this. Then I can rename it and save the changes. Now that I selected the right videos and content for my 3 tips, I can delete the other lessons that were made when uploading with the bulk importer. One important thing to remember is that if I delete these lessons, the video files will not be deleted. They will stay inside the video library of my Thinkific account and also be available in our 3 tips videos. Let me show you. The lesson 02 has the same video as tip number 1 lesson. So if I delete the lesson 02, I can go to the tip number 1 and see that the video and other videos are still there. Always check what you are doing if you are not sure. So, in order to delete these videos from your account, you will have to go directly to your video library to do it. I'm going to show you how a bit later. Now, let's delete the lessons we don't need. In order to avoid confusion, I recommend you, at least in the beginning, to upload 1 lesson at a time. This is how I do it for almost all my courses. Yes, it's time consuming, but I like to be sure that each lesson is uploaded where it is supposed to and everything is set as I want it to. Of course, that doesn't mean that I don't make any mistakes. I love to make mistakes while avoiding them as much as possible because that means I'm learning and I'm growing. So there are no mistakes, only lessons. So at the beginning, take your time and learn how uploading your courses works. Then try the bulk importer in case you need to. Now let's rename the lessons as the name of the video titles or your course curriculum. Then save. And we are ready to preview the course. We found an idea for a song. Let's start at the beginning. Here you can see the text we added, Facebook, Instagram, and other popular platforms. And here you can see the customized text we made in a previous lesson. Instead of rate this course, we wrote give this course a 5 stars review. Let's follow the instruction. This is the way your students will rate your courses. Let's see the next chapters. Let's record the main lead. And everything seems to be okay. The videos are looking clean, they are playing, and here we got the PDF we put in the add downloads area. There you go, the student can read it online or download it. We produced it. Cool, everything works. Now let's take care of the pricing. If you want to price your course, you have to connect payment processing services like Stripe or PayPal. For connecting PayPal with your school, it is a simple process if you already have a PayPal account. If not, you should create one before connecting it with your online school. Same goes with Teachable and other online course platforms when it comes to the payment processors. In the case of Stripe, you have to select your country, your business website, if you have one, your address, and some bank details in order for you to get paid when you will be selling courses. Now you have two options at this point. You can do this right away, or you can do this later when you will decide if Thinkific or another platform is right for you. While with Teachable you can price your courses in the free plan right away, you will still have to set up payments at some point to collect your sales. So we'll leave the course free for now. Now, as I mentioned, let me show you where is the video library. Go to Manage Learning Content, select Video Library, and here you can see all the video we uploaded so far. Now, I'm going to show you another way you can upload your courses to Thinkific Video Library. This is useful again when you're uploading multiple videos. So, click on Upload and you have the option to choose files on your computer or from a link. You can also select from social media like Facebook and Instagram, or you can upload your videos from online storages like Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. This is a great feature and strategy to have. You can upload and have your courses stored on one of these cloud storages, and you can upload your courses from anywhere in the world where you have internet access. So in this case, the upload should be made faster as your videos are already uploaded to your online storage account. On the other hand, you can and should make a backup of your courses. Personally, I have my courses on more than 5 hard drives as a backup. So you should seriously take care of this and back up your courses and teaching materials online and offline. Use different hards or SSD drives and make multiple copies. If you didn't back up your course until now, go do it right at this very moment or after you finish your assignment. So, this is what you can do in the video library. Now you can do different edits here, and if you want to delete a video or download it, you can do this here. There you go. In this video, we addressed multiple ways that you can use to upload a course to Thinkific. For your assignment, finish uploading your lead generator course. Next, make a backup of your course and other essential projects you keep on your computer. I'm serious about this. Make a backup whenever you can, because this could save you lots of hard work. Remember that we work with tools, and tools sometimes broke. After you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.